بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم وصلى الله على محمد وآله الطاهرين. السلام عليكم طلبتنا الأعزاء في المرحلة الثالثة الدراسة النهارية شعبة A. In today's lesson we are going to be discussing and showing the sample or the layout of the sample I have already posted to you before the start of the course. You remember the sample of a research paper, the framework of the sample, the structure, the outline of the sample. We are going to discuss it and show the characteristics of each part of this sample, starting with the title page, the abstract page, and then the introduction or the literature review. And after that, we have the sections, and finally, or before the final point, we have the conclusion section, and then lastly and finally, we have the list of references, or the reference list, or references in general. Okay? So I'm going to share with you the document, and please try to pay attention to what I'm going to explain in detail. Okay, regarding all the sections that constitute the sample, starting with the title page. Okay, what I want from you is yes, focusing on the layout, and try to imitate everything mentioned in the sample. يعني mimic it, imitate it. يعني عليك أن شنو؟ عليك أن تقلد وتحاكي الsample الذي I'm going to explain. I'm going to show you and explain. Okay, let's share this sample first. I'm sharing. Okay. Share window. Here we have. Okay. Mumtaz. Let's start with the title page. The title page. Okay. Can you see the shared document clearly?
Yes, sir.
Mumtaz.
Yes, I can.
Okay. خلي شنو عندنا بعد؟ اريد اشوف اذا بعدين واحد اوكي people. ممتاز، حتى اشوف اذا واحد يرفع ايده او فشي. جيد. ممتاز. Then let's start with the title page of this sample. Okay. Let's start with the title page. The title page should be separate. يعني written on a separate paper. You know, the first page of your research paper is the title page. The title page, in the center of the title page, you write what? You write the title of the topic, the title of your subject that you are going to what, or that you have already been written. Okay, so here let's see the title page, and I'm going to make it clearer. Okay. Is it better now?
Yes, doctor.
Okay. Mumtaz. The title page should be what? The title of your paper should be in the center, in the middle of what? Of your first page. Write the title of the subject here. Let's, okay, like this one. Okay, and after that, and center it. Okay, center it in the page, and then write your name, like this one. Okay, Louisa Mirano, and you should write your name, and after the name you should write the department. For example, you write the Department of English or Department of English, لأنه بالعناوين طبعا هنا ضرورة وجود the definite article ضرورية، لكن بالعناوين اختصارا للموضوع ما نذكرها. احنا دائما في التعريف إذا نقول something of something يجب أن نذكر definite article، لكن في العناوين لا نتجنبها لكي لا تكون مملة. لكن within the context أو في المتن ما يصير نقول مثلا Department of English مثلا ونبدي نقول the Department of English. بالعناوين لا بأس، يعني شو يسموها يعني تجاوزا أو بها فبنوع من شو يسموها الرخصة، نوع من الرخصة في تجنب استخدام the definite article there. إذن after mentioning the title of your paper in the midst of or in the middle of in the midst or middle or the center of your first page, sorry, after that you write your name, complete name, and then the last piece of information in the middle you write Department of English / College of Arts / University of Basra. And at the bottom of the page, the title page, هذا الشيء يريد يقول you are presenting to everyone. Click here to return to the video call when you are ready to stop presenting. هاي كل ساعة تطلع سببت لي إشكال بالupdated version of Google Meet. ما كانت تطلع سابقا. At the bottom of the first page, يعني the title page, the same title page, at the bottom you write this note, author note. This paper was prepared for what? This paper was prepared for what? يعني انت البيبر مالتك قدمتها لأي كورس ليا مادة. هنا هو هذا السامبل عنده لمادة السايكولوجي، وعندهم هناك أرقام، يعني كل كورس له فد رقم معين. احنا هذا ما متبعينه لحد الان، هذا الاسلوب. مثلا الاكاديميك رايتنج مثلا بالسنه الاولى قد يكون مثلا paragraph writing or academic writing 100، يعني الرقم مالته 100. مثلا بالسنه الثانيه نقدر نقول academic writing 101، يعني 101. مثلا بالسنه الثالثه نسميه academic writing or essay writing يعني مثلا نسميه 102 مثلا. لكن in general you have to write here this paper was prepared for what? For academic research paper. هو الكورس مالتنا اسمه academic research paper, comma section انتم section A, comma taught by Professor Kang يصير taught by Dr. علاء الحسين. انتهت التايتل بيج. اكو واحد عنده سؤال عن التايتل بيج؟ طلاب واضحة التايتل بيج؟ You put the title of your paper in the middle of the page, and then your name, and then the department يعني the department, College of Arts, بعدين University of Basra. At the bottom of the page you write this note, the same note, just change the course name and the teacher name. That's it. زين، ننتقل الآن to the second page after the title page. So the title page is the first page of the paper. طبعا اكو another example at the end of this sample. The writer here, the writer of the book, I have already posted another chapter of this book to you before starting the course. Here in this sample, at the end of this sample, let's see, there is another layout, there's another frame or another shape, let's say, for the title page, and you can choose either of them. Okay, يا اللي يعني يعجبك ممكن تستخدمه. هسه هذا النموذج الاول للتايتل بيج. النموذج الثاني للتايتل بيج، خلي نروح to the end of the what of this sample and let's see. Look at this. Same, but there's a slight difference. In the middle, in the midst or the middle of the center of this page, just the writer here writes the title of the what of the paper. Can medication cure obesity in children? A review of the literature. هذا التايتل of the page. انت شوف شنو التايتل مالتك، خليه at the midst of this page. بعدين at the bottom you write your name, the course name, section, the professor name, and the date. The date of what? The date of completing the the paper. إذا عندك two samples, two examples here. You can choose either of them. After, طبعا احنا ما يعني I didn't mention the heading, the running head يسمونه on the title page. تقدر شو تسوي؟ تخلي running head يعني you can what? You can show the title of your paper throughout all the pages of your paper. يعني on every and each paper of your paper, of your research paper, there is what? There is a running head. اللي هو شنو running head؟ اللي هو التايتل اللي يتكرر مع كل page يسمونه running head. هذا يعني اذا انت تستخدم المايكروسوفت وورد تروح للهيدنجز بالفورمات، تروح للهيدنجز واكو يعني من تنقر على الهيدنجز ينطيك خيارات، مثلا تريد at the midst of the page or at the right side of the page, at the left side of the page, or at the center of the page. Okay, you can write what? You can write the title, and this title will be what? Will be repeated on every and each page of your paper. زين. الآن اكو واحد عنده سؤال طلاب.